Hey people, good day. This is your host Jahidul and welcome to your Digital Insight. Now I am going to show you how can set up dimension in AutoCAD is included or part of the unit setup. For the dimension setup, you need to be type D in your keyboard. Okay, then need to be hit enter. You can see this is the dimension setup. We are not working any other places because we are starting for beginner. For the beginner dimension setup, you need to be go only on modify. Click on modify and you can see this pop-up menu on appear your AutoCAD and you can see primary unit setup. Because I'm going to show you only architectural, so for the architectural we just selecting here architectural. Okay, so precision it on your choice. You need to I will select it 1/8 inches. Okay, so this okay, we are not touch anything other and we just go on line setup. For the line setup you can see color we are using here. Our background is white, so we are most of the AutoCAD in professional most of the time people are using black and white. So if you are working in your background in white, you will see here is black, but if your background is white black, you here is option only black. So my background right now is white, so I am selecting black. And you can see line type we are selecting continuous. Line weight we are selecting 0.00 mm. This was okay for line setup. And you can see offset from there is 1/16. We are given here 6 inch. Okay, what is the offset from? You can see if you are think this is the drawing and there is the gap and this is the measurement of the drawing, this is called offset. Okay, so then extension line, here is extension line, right? So for the extension line color we are also selecting black. This is extension line, you can see that. Then extension line block is continuous. Line type is also continuous, and you can see line weight we are selecting 0.00 m. Okay, then symbol and arrow, because we are using working on architectural, so we are selecting is architectural tick. You can see this is the one. I will show you also. This is we also selecting architectural tick, and arrow size we are giving because previously as you were working then also so this time we are also using 6 inches. Then hit enter, you can see. Okay, then we are going for okay, and then still not completed text. So for the text style we are not touched anything here because I'm telling you again, this is the beginner. For the started, just click here 3-dot menu and font name we are need to be changing the font name. This is the Bardana, is most of the architectural worker using this text, so Bardana I am selecting. And font size regular, is it okay? Don't touch any other, just height we are using here 10 inches. So if you think that 10 inches is bigger, you can reduce or increase your text size. Then hit enter and just close it. Now we need to be click on OK. Then you need to be set current and then you need to be closed. So this is the done. You can change your dimension setup in AutoCAD. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please hit the like button and help me to grow my channel. Thank you. I hope so we'll meet another new video. Until then, tata, bye bye.